is not how much money you make, it's how you manage and keep your money, said Robert Kiyosaki, an American businessman and author. Welcome to KidzByte TV, India's exclusive news and knowledge platform for kids. I am KidzByte TV anchor Kairavi Chauhan, studying in Grade 8 Children's Academy group of schools. Let us discuss about the importance of money management. Money management is about learning how to earn, save, spend, borrow and repay money responsibly. Money management will help avoid a lot of financial problems like wrong investment or credit decisions. It will help us reach our financial goals. There are certain things which I will recommend to all of you in this video for managing money. We must start by making a budget. Not only making the budget but also sticking to it is very important. Budgeting allows you to create a spending plan for your money. It ensures that you will always have enough money for the things you need and the things that are important to you. Secondly, you need to set saving goals. Setting short-term, mid-term and long-term financial goals is an important step towards becoming financially secure. If you aren't working towards anything specific, you're likely to spend more than you should. Part of learning about managing money is learning to spend responsibly and appreciate the value of things. Some other things which we need to keep in mind are setting money aside for emergencies, prioritizing things you need to buy over things you want to buy, working hard to save money for something you need, and avoiding impulsive buying. After we are well acquainted with these points, then we can level up our learning on money management. One of the important things is understanding more about digital money. In these times where digital money has become an important mode of payment, we need to learn and understand it better. Many online frauds take place, and we always need to be alert and responsible. You never know when someone is spying your money digitally. There are many books which teach us money management. One of the book which I would recommend is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Yes, the same person whose quote was said by me in the beginning. Let me repeat the quote for you. It's not how much money you make, it's how you manage and keep your money. Kairavi signing off. Thank you.